Hello student, today our topic is pollination. First of all, you subscribe my channel and then we are going towards the detail of pollination. Now we start the definition of pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of the flower is called pollination. When we are going further and study about this, students, I am showing you the structure of anther as well as stigma. On your screen, you can easily visualize stigma. When we talk about stigma and anther, so first of all, you know about that part of flowers. That's why I'm showing you the diagram of these parts. And we are going towards the further detail of pollination. With the help of this diagram, you can easily understand the whole process, how the pollen grain move from anther to stigma. The agents which transfer the pollen grain is called pollinator. You can see the process of pollination have two types. The one is self-pollination and the other one is cross-pollination. And when we going towards further, we are study about the more detail of pollination. Now you see the question, what are the pollinating agent? The pollinating agent can be animals such as insect, bird and bat, water, wind and even plant themselves. And these are agents help in pollination. Now the question is, what are pollen grains? So the answer, pollen grain are the granular microspores termed as microgametophytes are male gametophyte produced within the anther in the male part of the flowers. You can visualize the pollen grains. It has different shapes and they move from one to another place with the help of pollinating agents. Now the question is, what is cross-pollination? Cross-pollination is referred to as the complex type of pollination during which the pollen grain are transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower. And important thing is that the cross-pollinations take place between two different plants but same species. Students, you can easily understand the phenomena of cross-pollination through this diagram. In this diagram, we saw two different plants of same species and the cross-pollination is take place between them. Student, it's a very important question for your exam, so you must concentrate on it and learn it by heart. Now, student, we focus on the definition of self-pollination. Self-pollination is referred to as the primary type of pollination which occurs by transferring the pollen grain directly from the anther into the stigma of the same flower as well as at same plant. You can easily visualize in this diagram in very simple method. I try to explain this question. Now student, please subscribe my channel, like the video and share with your friend